What's up, guys? This is Cali BMX here, and here's my bike check. So, first of all, I'm running the Stolen joint tires, red. I don't know why I got them in red, but they got some good grip. They're really nice. Got some side grip too. Yeah, see, Stolen bikes. They're really nice, and I got some Odyssey R32s. Then I got the Romax integrated headset. Let me wait until this freaking zooms in. Well, Romax here. Well, it's ProMax, or yeah, like ProMax headset. ProMax headset. Professional sealed alloy headset. And then FSA, what is it called? Spacers. And then I got a Harl stem. Stolen handlebars. I don't know what brand, but I don't know. I don't know what they're stolen, but I don't know what like type. I got some ODIs, long neck or extra long necks, the red end caps, boobies bracelet, and my front rim is just a stock one that I hate. Now I'm about to get a new one because I bent it. I got a pivotal stolen Thermlite, yeah. Pivotal, it's a pivotal seat. Stolen Thermlite. Yeah, something like that. And it's purple, I don't know why. And I got the like raspberry Odyssey pedals. I got my Colt sprocket, some fit cranks. Where's T-Fit cranks? Got that KMC chain. And I think this is a Quando. No, yeah, it's a Quando, I think. Then we got Alienation 440 rim in red. The front one's not red. Odyssey up there. And then we got, yeah, and then we got bearings. I don't know what type, but they're good. What else should I go on to? I don't know. So, sorry guys, I didn't say everything, but, oh yeah, and it's a Harl frame, nice. Alright, so, peace out guys, Cali BMX out.